uniting a generation for the glory of God. That's what God is Bigger Ministries is about. We want to see a generation united around one thing, one cause, one purpose, one name, the name of Jesus. And we want to call them to give their lives to make His name famous. We want this generation to be excited about taking the name of Jesus to the ends of the earth and across the street. We do want them to rise up against things like human trafficking and slavery. We want to see them take the gospel to the unreached peoples of the world. We want to see them take the gospel to hard places, even in our own country. But we also want to see them take the name of Jesus to their campuses, their classrooms, and their homes. The God is Bigger Day Conference is a time to come together and focus in on Jesus through corporate worship, the preaching of the Word, small groups, focused, intentional prayer times, and through getting involved with organizations like Amira and Gospel for Asia. There will be some time for hanging out and fun, but the purpose of this day is really to get away from the distractions and the busyness of everyday life to pursue the heart of Christ. At this year's day conference, we will be answering the question, what is love? We will be looking at what biblical, Christ-like love is. We really want to focus in on this idea that true love is not always just agreeing or always just making someone feel good or just trying not to offend, but true love is found only in the person of Jesus Christ, who is the perfect example of what it means to love with grace and truth.